OMG, I can't believe I found the NEEDOH place. Yay! Hooray, 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 hooray. Anyways, let's go in. Oh, hi. Hi. Okay, I'm gonna grab this, okay? Okay. Oh, OMG, is that the pink NEEDOH ice cube? I'm definitely buying this. Technically, I saw that first, so it's technically mine. What do you mean? It's not yours. It's mine, actually. Yeah, it's mine. What? No, that's mine. You can't just grab that. Give me it. Hey! Give me that. Thank you. Now this is mine. No, it's mine. Thank you very much. What? No, it's mine. It's mine. Give me that. What? No. Give me that. Whatever then. You just can't do that. It's weird. Can't just do that. You don't deserve it anyway. Don't deserve it. Whatever, girl. OMG. Wait. OMG. It's the stress toy I saw on TikTok. So cool. Okay. I'm gonna go over here. Wait a second. Is this like a new collection? Yeah, mate, it is a new collection. Yeah, mate. Okay, I'm buying this one, and this one. Okay. Oh, wait. I think there's something else over here. Let's go up. Wait a second. Oh, it's just coming soon. Okay, let's go over back to the, okay. Oh, wait, what is that? Wait, what is that? A spider? I don't know. Anyways, a dumpling. I'm definitely gonna buy that. Hee. Found a dumpling. Yay. Okay. Anyways, I would like to buy this, this, and this too. Anyways, okay. Okay. That'd be $5.99. Oh, okay. Oh wait, my card. Oh yeah, forgot my card. Wait, let me grab it first. Anyways, this is my card. Yeah. Here. Beep. Okay, I need a bag. Okay, put this and this and this and this and oh wait. This and this. Okay, bye. That girl does not deserve that pink NEEDOH. I'm gonna steal it from her. Hey, give me that. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha, I got the pink needle. Hey. Hey, give me that. It's mine. Ah, that hurts. Whatever, I don't care. Just give me that. You suck. Bye, everybody. Let me go ride my bicycle. Ugh.